Learning a new language is an exciting journey, filled with new experiences and opportunities. And it all starts with the alphabet, the building blocks of any language. The Spanish alphabet is the foundation for speaking, reading, and writing in this beautiful and expressive language. Mastering the alphabet unlocks a world of communication with over 500 million Spanish speakers worldwide. Whether you dream of traveling to Spain, enjoying the vibrant rhythms of Latin American music, or simply expanding your cultural horizons, knowing the Spanish alphabet is the essential first step. Once you know the Spanish alphabet, you can start to sound out words, understand basic pronunciation, and begin building your vocabulary with confidence. This opens the door to basic conversations, reading signs, and even attempting to write simple phrases, making everyday interactions more meaningful. Like a child taking their first steps, learning the alphabet empowers you to explore the vast and fascinating world of the Spanish language with a sense of accomplishment and curiosity. The Spanish alphabet is very similar to the English alphabet, with a few key differences that make it unique and interesting to learn. It consists of 27 letters, each representing a distinct sound that contributes to the rich phonetic tapestry of the language. Let's break down the pronunciation of each letter to understand how they sound in Spanish. A, like father, a sound that is open and clear. B, like bake, similar to the English B, but with a softer touch. C, like thin before I or E, otherwise like cake. It changes sound depending on the following vowel. D, like day, pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. E, like pet, a short and crisp sound. F, like fame, pronounced just like in English. Ge, like gate, but before I or E it sounds like H in hotel. H, hacha, silent. The G can be tricky with its dual sounds. I, E, like machine, a long and clear vowel sound. J, jota, like H in hotel, a strong breathy sound. K, ka, like kite, not commonly used in native Spanish words. L, like love, a soft and smooth sound. M, ami, like moon, pronounced just like in English. N, like nine, a nasal sound. N, like knee in canyon, unique to Spanish and gives a distinct sound. O, like go, a round and open sound. P, like pen, pronounced with a slight puff of air. Q, cu, always followed by U and pronounced like K, often found in words like que and quien. R, air, rolled or tapped, like a slightly stronger D. The rolled R is a hallmark of Spanish pronunciation. S, ise, like song, a soft and hissing sound. T, like table, pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. U, like moon, a long and rounded vowel sound. V, like bake, similar to B, but with a slight difference in pronunciation. W, like water, not commonly used in native Spanish words. X, equis, like KS in taxi, often found in words like examine and exacto. Y, like yellow, but sometimes like E and C, versatile in its pronunciation. Z, zeta, like thin, a soft and hissing sound similar to the English the in thin. One of the most distinctive features of the Spanish alphabet is the letter N, called N. This letter, with its charming tilde, represents a sound not found in standard English pronunciation. The N adds a unique flavor to Spanish words, giving them a distinct rhythm and flow. Think of the N sound as an I sound as in the word canyon. You can hear this sound in words like mañana, tomorrow, and España, Spain. The N is a reminder of the richness and beauty of the Spanish language, setting it apart and adding a touch of flair. Section 4. Regional pronunciation differences. Just like with any language, Spanish pronunciation can vary significantly depending on the region where it is spoken. While the alphabet provides a basic framework for pronunciation, it's crucial to be aware of these regional differences to fully understand spoken Spanish. For example, the letters C and Z are pronounced with a TE sound, like in the word thin in Spain, while in Latin America, these same letters are usually pronounced like an S, making the words sound quite different. Another common variation is the pronunciation of the letter LL, which can differ greatly. In some regions, it's pronounced like a Y sound, similar to the Y in yes, while in other regions it has a distinct ZH sound similar to the ES in pleasure, adding another layer of complexity. These regional differences not only add to the diversity and vibrancy of the Spanish language, but also make learning it a more enriching experience. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Learning the Spanish alphabet is an exciting first step in your language learning journey. Remember that practice is key to mastering pronunciation and feeling confident with the sounds. Listen to native speakers, repeat words and phrases aloud, and try writing simple sentences. As you become more familiar with the Spanish alphabet, you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress in your language learning. Embrace the challenge, have fun, and enjoy the rewards of being able to communicate in this beautiful and widely spoken language.